विसाव प्रन्योकार बिरेस्तारा राज्यात क्रिस्तांव भावांनी मनयलो आल्मा दीस. ह्या दिसा क्रिस्तांव लोक आपल्या घराबांतल्यांक जांकां सर्ग प्राप्त जाला तांच्या पासत मागणे करतात, मीस भेटयतात. तशेंच शिमतरीन वचून फोंड सजयतात. RDX गोवा खातीर हळदोणच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
सगळीं आमी मोरना जावच्या. जेजू आपूण एकलो मोरून कबूल जालो. तुजेच खातीर सासणाक आमी सोमेस्तांक जिवोवच्याक ताणें एकल्यानूच आपलो जीव दिलो. देखून देवदूताच्या ढोलबारा सांगाती संतोशान आमी तुजी स्तुती गायता.
Today we celebrate or remember All Souls Day. Not only about the souls which are in our families, but also those souls who are in need of our prayers. Today the Mother Church invites us all to pray for them, especially those souls who have no one to pray and those souls who are in the purgatory. Today, in a very special way, let us thank the Lord for the gift of all these persons in our life, for their faith and for all that they have done in our life. In a very special way, we shall also remember and pray for them, praying for them because God is our Father and they are all gone in the hope of resurrection to their eternal Father. Dear brothers and sisters, today we see all the cemeteries will be decorated, but I feel, and as a Catholic, more than decoration, more than lighting of the candles, we should pray for them. So, let us take some time and pray for them with a sincere heart to God, that the Lord may grant them eternal rest and perpetual light may shine on them.